G'day, it's Mick O'Connor from Gessner. I'm in Toowoomba today and it is freezing cold. I wanted to show some of the equipment in our yard at the moment. First of all, we've got a 9 metre HR 1200 chisel plough. You can see there's the front drawbar there. We just go around the back. We've got a culti ripper, 6 metres. You can see the individual crumble rollers there. Got a front push blade for a cat grader. D6 full scrub canopy. D8 full scrub canopy. And a 1.5 tonne stool splitter. See the big front coulters there and the twin disc applicator. Got the rear stairwell. The big buck, it's a 7 shank big buck with coulters on the front. We've got a nice big 7.5 metre cutter bar, that's for a D11 dozer. Stick rake in the background there, as well as a folding stick rake for a D6. We head round the back here. We've got a 7 shank rhino ripper. There's the drawbar just there. We've also got a drum seeder. That's going on a D8 dozer. We've got various components here, mainly for billet planters. We have 10 billet planters, 2 tonne billet planters heading over to Thailand. We head across here, we've got a 12 metre big buck. You can see that's ready to go. That's heading down to Griffith. You can see how we stack everything, the drawbars on top there. That'll be heading off in the next few days. And finally, if we go into the assembly shed, we've got a couple of the first 2 tonne billet planters being assembled. If you want to know any more about Gessner equipment, feel free to call us 0746150100. Thanks very much.